So what exactly is an e-business advisor? For most of the CloudNet 360 users, their e-business advisor quickly becomes the most valuable asset in their marketing automation toolbox. The truth is, most people are shocked when they discover that instead of calling a general support line, they get to call their e-business advisor directly, and they know each other by name. Now that's a special relationship you just don't get with other companies. But an e-business advisor isn't just there to make you feel warm and fuzzy. They're there to move your business forward and advise you about the techniques that really work in today's market, and then how you can implement these strategies to keep you ahead of your hungry competitors. Upselling, they'll show you exactly how to implement high-converting offers proven to drop profits to your bottom line. Landing page strategies, got that covered. High-converting sales funnels, like a second language for these experts. When you use CloudNet 360, you're not just getting the world's most powerful all-in-one sales automation software. You're gaining a trusted advisor that will care as much about your business as you do. CloudNet 360, helping you sell more faster and easier.